request the next final settlement conference.
All right. And that would be April. Did this get stamped? No. No, it didn't. Don't worry about it. I got it. Jury final settlement conference will be April what? April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, will be April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Your Honor, with respect to the other matter at the bench, if that does not get any resolution, my client may be requesting a second civil standby. I don't think Ms. Zenda is going to object to that.
All right, very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Wait for I don't know where he is, but there may be a case that might be. And I don't want it. Court does call the case of the People versus Ryan Studeville.
And then on behalf of the people.
He's coming.
From where? What's your name? I've already called your case. All right, state your name.
Ryan Wesley, Your Honor.
All right, what are we doing?
Set for final settlement and jury selection, please.
Jury final settlement conference will be April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, April 13th, 2026, 8:30. So both of those proceedings are in person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
None of
Stop
these
at
are-
the counter, they'll give you a paper.
You.
I got you.
Oh, absolutely.
That's okay. It's all right. I'm standing with you. It's Alan that will abandon ship in a minute. Court does call the case. People versus Travis Oliver. What do you?
Then on behalf of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Travis Oliver.
Your name, sir?
Travis Oliver.
Put your hands out of your pockets.
Teresa Blair on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Oliver is scheduled before the court for a violation of probation hearing. This hearing has been adjourned out from prior. Given that Mr. Oliver has that pending felony case. With the most recent thing happening in that, Your Honor, it is now scheduled for a pretrial in July. On July 16, 2026. With that case, there is the alleged use of assault, threatening, intimidating behavior, and an alleged violation of the no contact order. I have not had any response or contact back from the victim in the case. With everything else that this court ordered Mr. Oliver to do, he is compliant, he's reporting, he's making his payments, he's attending the domestic violence program. Given all of that, at this time, probation is asking that the court continue all terms as previously ordered, was setting a review hearing on April 20th, 2026 at 1 p.m. So I can verify that he is remaining compliant with this court's order.
No objection.
I'll continue all terms as previously ordered. I'll set a review hearing in this matter April 20th, 2026, 1 p.m.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Calls case People versus Eric Buckner.
And then on behalf of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Buckner. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Eric Buckner.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I've shared the recommendation from probation with him. The recommendation is to discontinue the GPS that he pays $66 by March 1st and $66 per month thereafter, and begin the domestic violence classes and continue all terms previously ordered. I'd ask the court to follow the recommendation.
Ms. Blair.
Yeah, sure. Mr. Buckner, is compliant with most of the terms ordered by this court. He is not compliant with the payment plan. However, I have had communications with Mr. Buckner, about that. The court does have him out only certain hours to work. I know that from Mr. Buckner being incarcerated and on home confinement prior to that, he was trying to catch back up on his bills that he got behind on, plus he got his car repo, which involved part of with him making money. So Mr. Buckner has been in communication with me about that, sometimes too compliant, but that's okay, with the reporting. But he's
Too compliant?
too compliant with the reporting.
So
and I'm
Mr. Buckner is actually showing up and actually,
He's keeping me
He-
informed.
okay.
I'm joking when I say that.
No, I know.
I absolutely prefer to know what's going on and not know what's going on, so he's good in that fashion.
and let me just say this, that's not where Mr. Buckner was before. So
I
am kind of glad to hear that.
Yeah, I've had no issues. He's been absolutely compliant with everything. He's been in contact with the domestic violence program. He's trying to work out an arrangement because before he can start, he has to pay for the
Pay
materials.
for that,
And
right.
so it's not that he hasn't not started because he hasn't followed through. I have gotten communication from them, that he's been in communication with her, and it's just trying to get things going. So given all of that, probation would ask that the court discontinue his GPS, which will allow him to be out and work more hours. He's gonna pick up second job, so he
Okay.
can get back going on things. I would also ask that the court, go with a payment plan of allowing Mr. Buckner to pay $66 by March 1st, which would be
Okay.
about a month out from now. Then $66 per month thereafter, because he will be having to pay for the class on a weekly basis, the domestic violence class as well. That he begin the DV class immediately, that he continue all of the terms ordered by this court with the next review hearing on May 4th, 2026.
Mr. Buckner, anything you want to tell me?
Basically, I apologize for everything and I take full accountability and I'm ready to move forward with my life. That's pretty much it, Your Honor.
And you're just struggling to get it kind of moving, right?
I'm trying.
No, I know. I'm not saying that badly. I mean, it's just hard to get there. You're gonna be able to do that 66 per month?
We talked about 25 a week, didn't we?
Yes.
You can do what now?
25 a week.
That it'll be able to pay?
I might be able to pay more than that eventually, but as for right now, I'm totally behind.
Your Honor, I asked that he try to stick with this if he can do this, because the class is gonna cost him the $25 a week. So if he's
He's
unable,
gotta pay the 25 per week.
but he's gotta pay $50 for a workbook.
He's gotta get all of that stuff done before he can do it.
Correct.
What I will do is I'll discontinue the GPS. You're to begin your DV classes immediately. Continue all of the terms as previously ordered. I'll set the next scheduled review hearing for May 4th, 2026 at 1 p.m. What I'm going to do on the payment plan is, because I want him to get in, and I'm going to give him a little bit of credit for the almost over contact. Because I think just in listening to him, he's trying, but I just don't want him to slip up. So I'm not going to start that 66 per month till April 1st. Give you another stretch of period of time that you put that money toward the other stuff that he's got to do, and then start at April 1st, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Fair, that'll work for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. So that's what I'll do. Okay. Thank you.
Please stop by probation.
Well, she's here.
I know, but
Yeah. She'll,
Love it. Okay. Go over there right now. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, take care. Court calls case, people versus Zachary Burlap.
Alan says on behalf of the people.